Hey, what's up, guys? I just got this package in the mail. It is from Nike.com. Go check them out. They have some good stuff there. Nice shoes, nice T-shirts. So you guys probably know what this is about from the title. I just got these. So let's open it. I don't have a knife with me right now. So. So here we go. Let's take the pack. So what we have here is the Nike Sequelizers, navy and Velour blue, large. So here they are. As I said, they are navy with Velour blue with the white swoosh. I probably won't open these, but I probably won't sell them either. So yeah, I just got these. They do not have these colors anymore. On Nike.com, you guys might want to go to a different website because they only have the lime green ones right now. I got these before they improved the new website. These were $10 at the time, and the only thing that really was a pain was the shipping. It's $8 for 2 to 5 days. That's outrageous. So yeah, here are the Nike Sequelizers. These are very nice. I love them. They're beautiful colors. I like the colorway. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please favorite and subscribe, and goodbye.